It's a 17 pairs of gloves, yeah.
No gloves for me.
I kind of like the sock technique yesterday. So yeah, draw for the sock. If you're gonna go all out, ninja.
I'm gonna go all out blue.
You warm up when you start walking. And you only have to do steep hill. You do realise that's a person up there, right? Nice and steep.
So real serious people when they're walking time. Huh? Who's what?
This is a white person's move. Whose move is this? In mine. I'm the only white person here.
I suggested a nice walk would be nice. A brief walk.
It might be brief for real.
God.
It's not, fuck it. Too cold. Fucking freezing. I can't even catch my breath. Look at that. And over there where the sun's hitting. So we're here, and the hope is we make it to the waterfall. We might cop out somewhere along the journey and split and go to the reservoir instead because it's a lot closer. And as you can see, the waterfall walk, steady ascent up the valley along the stream to the waterfall, and even services in places suitable for. Okay, so it's a 2.5 kilometre walk, so it's not even that serious, but it is kind of uphill to get to the waterfall. Yeah, a steady ascent up the valley alongside the stream to the waterfall. Duration hour and a half.
Hour and a half.
Well, to get there and back, basically, is what they're saying. Isn't
it? No one wants to see yourself. Okay. It's going to take us an hour and a half to get there and back. And welcome to wearing the car if it's that cold. So it's going to be, no, I take that back, you're not welcome.
People like, yep, that's what I'm going to do.
I think when we start to walk,
yeah, definitely we'll warm up. And if you jog, you'll definitely warm up. Innit? Innit? Start, John.
Alright, it's getting risky now. Whoa. Yeah. Yeah. So, according to this, still 20 minutes. But this is some Clash of the Titans shit. I bet you this will be an absolute cakewalk here. Absolute cakewalk. When the fucking place isn't covered in snow and ice. Whoa. And even then, I just gotta stop wearing Air Force Ones and start wearing appropriate footwear everywhere, just in case. Time to put my big boy shoes on. Oh shit, this is pretty. Just have to hope that ultimately this walk pays off, because it's a whole lot of hot bopping and they're showing no signs of stopping. As long as it's not dead like that waterfall that we went to, and I'll put the word there, can't remember the place now. I'm expecting a waterfall of epic proportions. I'd be heartbroken if it's not something worth the hike. But I feel like a goddamn mountain goat. Meh. Think about it. So yeah, let's just hope this pays off, because be a whole lot of energy exerted for nothing. Stick around and find out. Oh, we've got to cross another one. This is that grade A Billy Goat's gruff shit, son. Oh fuck. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try and film this. I'm gonna be too busy trying to do it without falling, so I'll get back to you on the other side. So, we survived that first hurdle. There's a couple in hiking boots, appropriately dressed, going down. Problem is, we now face this. It's looking a bit it actually is. Oh god, they've got to get past that. Nothing about this shit's easy, man. It ain't. Really ain't.
I feel like
So-
we're brave attempt to it still.
Yeah,
So stupid.
it just got to the point where that rock over there on the right hand side, nobody could have crossed it. There's only he who understand it cross it. It's a big patch of ice there. As you can see, nobody is nah, it's just not safe enough. It's like, you know what, we'll come back another day. I ain't trying to get airlifted out of here. Look at the bloody hills. I mean, it's not worth the risk. So, it's more of a misadventure than an adventure. But I'd rather make it back in one piece. You know what I mean? Like I said, it's getting risky out here, man. It's only going to get dark soon as well. So add that to the mix. Oop, we just lost one. It's like, yeah, we ain't doing all that. So defeated, we trundle back down towards civilization. Our hearts slightly broken from the fact we did not achieve our trek to the waterfall, but the journey has become somewhat perilous, and one would advise anybody not to try it at this juncture, for it shall certainly get dark very soon and become more treacherous than it currently is. And believe me, niggas is out here slipping. And I ain't talking in the 187 gangster way. So I'll be taking my black ass back on down there somewhere, to my vehicle, where I shall warm up and indeed enjoy a cup of coffee. It's colder than a motherfucker, brother. And I'm out.